Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see saved posts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram provides a useful way to find posts you've liked and bookmarked. Using these features, you can keep track of what interests you now along with your tastes in the past. First of course, we have to open our Instagram. When you see some post that you like, you can save that post by tapping on this icon, on this bookmark icon right here. And if you want to see this post or the other post that you've saved before, you can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner right here. Tap on save. Now, here's all the saved posts on your Instagram. You can see all the posts that you've liked on Instagram. They will saved here. And you can see like this. So whenever you want to see post, every post that you've saved before, you can see them on these options, on this menu, on these features like this. Here's the reels and here's the post. So that is how to see saved posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!